Okay, so let's go over some basic navigation with your MaxFlex tablet. The screen you're looking at right now is your Android homepage. This is where any third-party applications or your MaxFlex actual application will land during download. If you see on the top right corner here, you'll see battery life, your time. You'll see whether or not you're connected to Wi-Fi. And on the top left, you'll see any notifications or anything that you've completed or done at the time, like screenshots or anything saved or any recordings made, will show up on the top left corner as little icons that let you know what's going on in the tablet. You can kind of customize along the bottom what applications you want to show up on the home page. And as you notice on the bottom, you'll see an arrow for your back button, your Android arrow back button. The little circle indicates your home button. So anytime this button is pushed, it will bring you back to this page that you're looking at right now. A task manager button, which is the little square button that will allow you to split the screen and close applications that are opened at the time. And then on the right, you'll see a square with a little picture in it for screenshots. So you can at any time in any screen during activation or during use of this tablet, if you want to take a snapshot of what you're looking at, you just simply click that button and it will snapshot any screen you're on. Let's enter the scan tool. Choose MaxFlex app. And now it's going to load the Maco application. Here you will have tutorial videos on how to register, how to connect to Wi-Fi, some basic navigation, things like that. Run Diagnostics is how you enter our software. Maco Catalog to shop or search for tools needed. And then Manage Subscriptions is where you would go to add software to your MaxFlex tablet. So for this video, we're going to run Diagnostics and enter our software. So what you're looking at is our landing page. This tool is registered in basic mode and it has some manufacturers purchased. So whenever you see a shopping cart, you have the basic coverage in that manufacturer. In basic coverage, you have limited access to modules, no actuations or special functions, pretty much an enhanced code reader like function. When there's no shopping cart on your tile, you have full access to actuations and special functions of that manufacturer. And IM readiness is a really cool function for shops, doing inspections and such. MaxVin is our decoding software. It will save you some steps in entering vehicles. And our vehicle voltage test, which is a really cool test for network voltage in the DLC connection port. On the top of the screen, you'll see automotive. In all modes, we'll have service resets, and then previous sessions, any vehicles connected to with this tool by month or by make. And then you'll see on the top left corner a little box that looks like a toolbox. So we click that toolbox, and in here we have our access to many more functions of this scan tool. Maximus Fix is on the top left. For any of our repair information, contact your Maco Tools distributor on how to activate your Maximus Fix platform. Tech to Tech is a cool feature if you have multiple tools or other technicians who have this product, a Maximus line of product. You can log into each other's tools and diagnose remotely. Saved Report tab simply is where all your health reports, your data recordings, your data samples, your shared data samples, anything like that would be stored. Feedback is a cool function. So at any time, if the tool has an issue or if there's anything you have that you suggest needed to be changed or don't like about the tool or have a suggestion to make it better, feedback is the place to go. By manufacturer, you can send us information on how to improve our software. Update is on the bottom left. This icon will bring you to our update center, which our software updates on a weekly basis. So keep an eye out for all the newest and greatest software downloads. Applications, This is where things that you could add on to your Flex would be located. The video scope is preloaded into the tool. Again, contact your Maco Tools distributor on how to attach a video scope to your MaxFlex tablet. Settings is where you would go to set up all your information, automatic downloads, icon size, color scheme, print information, health report, shop information, or hide or remove any software that you don't want to see on your tablet. And then About. About is a information section where you'll have tutorials, frequently asked questions, coverage, quick start guide, and an owner's manual. You also will see whatever the version is you currently have in your tool for diagnosing any future issues that may come up. Also, the ability to check for updates in said application. So that's it for basic navigation. Stay tuned for more in-depth video tutorials, going a little further in depth into vehicle functionality and bidirectional communication. Thank you for watching.